Alright guys, we just made it down to Lake Chelan. It's looking absolutely beautiful out there today. We got the kayak in the water already. Yeah, we got the little downrigger out. 2 Kokanee rods. They also planted big trout in here. Maybe we'll pick up something big too. Let's go get it. Woo! I'm pumped. Pumped. Haven't even gotten in the water yet, but look at that sky. Ooh. You could just eat those clouds right up. Cotton candy. Whew. It's gonna be a good morning. Well, I'm not wasting no time. I'm going right for the corn. You know, the secret to Kokanee isn't about what color lure you're using. It's what kind of corn you're using. And Del Monte, white corn, psh, the best of corns. The best. You know, someone told me to use white corn out here. But every time I've ever gone on a party boat, it's the only time I've ever caught kokanee actually, we used sweet corn. So I hope white corn is the same, and I hope that man didn't completely ruin my chances. I'm blaming it on him if I don't catch any fish though. Nothing like the smell of corn juice in the morning. Get your heart pumping. There's a fish, a nice one right there. 5 feet, 10 feet. Ooh, I love my new fish finder. Pumped it's finally working correctly. Had to get a new battery for it. The wire was all busted up too, so I had to rewire the whole dang thing. Oh yeah, I'm seeing some small trout guys at 10 feet there. I think I'm on. I'm not 100% sure. There's a super heavy weight on this rig. Oh yeah, I got something on there. Please be a kokanee. Alright. Oh. He's got a fight in him for such a little guy. Oh. There we go. I do believe that there's a little kokanee. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, heck yeah. Woo! I love it when a plan comes together. How cool. Oh, I cannot believe how barely hooked this fish is. Oh, he's off. We did it. There's a Kokanee salmon. I did it. A pretty salmon. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Ah, there we go. Successful trip. We came out here and really did it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Pretty blue shiny salmon guy. Oh my gosh, what a fish. I know they get a little bit bigger and that's not the biggest, but hopefully if we can get 4 or 5 of those guys, we can get a dinner going. All right. Oh my gosh, yes. Whew. I don't know if I got any of that on camera. Oh, maybe the end of it. There we go, a little cutthroat guy. I decided to just come up here and start jigging. I've been seeing some really big fish swim around and I thought they were smallmouth. Maybe some of them are. I'm gonna keep trying. Wow, that's so cool. Neat. Nothing like jigging a fish. I like feeling the bite. Oh no. I think I'm gonna keep this guy. Actually, he looks kind of nasty and beat up. Very nice, pretty cut through. Pretty. Wow. Neat. Yeah, he kind of looks beat up. I think I'll get a better fish than that. I'm seeing a lot around here and I barely just got here and started fishing. So let's check it out. Feels good to get another fish though. I haven't caught another one since that Kokanee early this morning. Super fun though. There we go. Get that one on camera. Oh, he came on. Oh no, he's running right at me though. Oh. Whoa. Feisty guy. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's jazzed up. Yeah. Oh, he's all tangled in the net. All right, bud. Give me that. Give me that there jig, please. Oh yeah, this fish looks a lot better. I'm gonna keep this one. Catch and cook, baby. Oh wow, spunky. Wow, pretty. Oh, oh, there's almost a release. That was almost a release. Not as pretty as that last one. All right, he's going on the stringer. I'm gonna put him out of his misery. Thank you, fish. Give me a kiss. Good night, buddy. Oh man. After all that, I dropped him in the water. He got away. Did not learn my lesson on that one. I was just so excited. Oh man. All right. Next time I'll take way more seriously than that. That was so funny though. Oh.